Hi creative friends, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. This simple water bottle upcycling project will be fun for the whole family to make and play with over the holidays. You'll need 3 empty water bottles, red, white, and green acrylic paint, some felt, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Make sure that your water bottle is clean and completely dry before you begin. Instead of painting the outside of the water bottles, we're actually going to use this simple technique to paint the inside. So this is really a great craft that the kids can help with. Just squeeze a generous amount of paint into the jar, close the lid, and then swirl the paint around. So this may take a little while and continue until you've completely coated the inside of the jar. Once you're done with the red bottle, repeat this process with a second bottle using the white paint and with the third bottle using the green paint. This makes 3 bowling pins, but you can obviously duplicate this to make more pins for the family to play with. Once the inside of the water bottles are coated with paint, it's time to add some simple embellishments. For the red Santa-themed pin, cut a strip of black felt to about 2 inches wide and long enough to comfortably go around the entire bottle. Next, cut a square from white or gray felt, as we have here, and then cut a smaller inside square to make a buckle for your Santa belt. It doesn't have to be perfect, just big enough to cover over the black piece of felt. Next, use a hot glue gun to glue the felt pieces in place onto your water bottle. All this month over on Sustain My Craft Habit, we've been sharing upcycling Christmas crafts that you can make. Everything from using bottles to wood slices, cinnamon sticks, branches, and even t-shirt yarn, and more. So be sure to head on over there and check those out. And one of those projects was a lovely mason jar photo display idea that we have here on YouTube as well. Depending on how aggressive your little bowlers are, you may need to repeat this gluing if the pieces start to come apart. Use more felt to add on a nose, eyes, and mouth to the snowman and a little embellishment to the green elf water bottle. And there you go. You've got 3 bowling pins that are really fun for the whole family to play with and keep busy over the holidays. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and craft ideas. From Sonia and I, we wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday.